Next topic, see here, lowest common multiple or otherwise least common multiple, that is called LCM, least common multiple. So, that is also called LCM. So, what is least common multiple? See here, this is the very most important concept. See here, how to find least or lowest common multiple. Here in the example it is given, find the LCM. LCM means least or lowest common multiple. So, first of all we have to write three multiples. What are three multiples? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, so on. All these are 3 multiples. Now 3 multiples over. Now 7 multiples. So now we have to write 7 multiples. 7 multiples. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, so on. Then, so 3 multiples and 7 multiples. So then after that, so how to find LCM, least common multiple. So in these two, first we have to find the common multiples. So what are the common multiples? Check one by one. 3. So we don't have 3 here, and 6 also we don't have, 9 we don't have, and 12 we don't have, 15 we don't have, 18 we don't have, 21 we have. Here 21 is there, and here also 21 is there. In both we have 21, 21. 21 is a common multiple in both. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again 7th number is a common multiple. So again 7th number is a common multiple. So whatever the first common multiple is there, whatever first common multiple is there in between the numbers, that is the least common multiple. That is the least. The very next number whatever it comes, it is greater than 21 only, not less than 21. So least means we have to take smallest. We have to take smallest. So whatever the first common multiple between the numbers, that is the least common multiple. That is the least common multiple. So once again, so see, first we have to write the multiples of the given numbers. So whatever 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Here 2 numbers are given. So we have to write 2 numbers common, 2 numbers multiples. So here 3 multiples and 7 multiples. Then after that we have to check common multiples. We have to take common multiples. So in that whatever the first common multiple is there, so that is the least common multiple of the given number. Therefore the least means lowest, least or lowest. Therefore lowest common multiple, lowest common multiple of 3 and 7 is 21. 21 is the lowest common multiple. 21 is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 7. 3 and 7. So in this way we have to find the least, means smallest common multiple. Common multiple. So next, in the next question, next example, write first 5 multiples of 7. So solution, first 5 multiples we have to write. First 5 multiples of 7 are, first 5 multiples we have to write. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. These are the first 5 multiples of 7. So it means 7 table we have to write till 5. This is 1, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth. Total how many multiples? 5 multiples. 7 multiples we have to write in this way. It means indirectly, so we have to write 7 table 5 till 5. Okay. Then in the third question, what he is asking, is 192 a multiple of 6? How to say that the given number is multiple of the given number, asking whatever he is asking is a multiple of that number or not. So according to our property, so we learn in multiples property. So what is there? So whatever the multiples are there, so that multiples are exactly divided by the number. Here how many multiples are there? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. All these are multiples of 7. So these multiples are exactly divided by this 7. If that number means, if multiple is divided by the given number, it means that is a multiple. If it's not, then that is not a multiple. Here, so 192 is a multiple of 6 or not? Means first we have to check, so either this 192 is divisible by 6 or not. If this 192 is divided by this 6, that means 192 is a multiple of 6. Otherwise it is not a multiple. So now solution. Now you check. So divide 192 with 6. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So here we have a divisor, single digit divisor we have. Here also we have to take first single digit. This single digit is less than this divisor. So we have to take 2 digits at a time. So at the very beginning, if you are going to take double digits, no problem, nothing will happen. So in 6 table, when you are getting 19, so read your 6 table and check. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. 24 is greater than this 19, means 6 threes are we have to take. 6 threes are 18. Now minus 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 1, hundreds place is 0 here. Don't take that 0. So this 1 is enough. Why? Because is here if 0 will come, then 0 1 is 0 1 only. So no need to take that 0. So after that, next place you have to copy, that is ones place. 1 tens and 2 ones, that is 12. Then this 12 when you will get in 6 table. So read 6 table again. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 twos are 12. 12 minus 12, same number minus same number, the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0 means this number exactly divided by 6. It means 192 is a multiple of 6. Here 192 divided by 6. So 192 is a multiple of 6. So multiples are exactly divided by the numbers. So if they are not divided by the number, so it means they are not the multiples of that number. Now next example, find ninth multiple of 8. So what is the ninth multiple? So just we have to multiply 8 with 9. 8. So we have to multiply with whatever that ninth multiple we want. It means 8 we have to multiply with 9. 8 nines are 72. So what is the product? 72. It means 72 is the ninth multiple of 8. So 72 is ninth multiple of 8. Okay. Next example 6th. Find the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 5. First we have to write the common multiples of the given numbers. So what are the numbers? 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is given. 2 multiples. First write 2 multiples. What are the 2 multiples? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, so on. All these are 2 multiples. Now 5 multiples. 5 multiples. What are 5 multiples? 5 ones are 5, 5 is a 10, 5 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30, so on. First 5 multiples we have to write. Okay, 30, and also if you want to take more, then you take. Then 30 first. How many multiples? 3 multiples. 3 common multiples he is asking. 3 common multiples. Check. Here in between 10 is a common multiple. 10 and 10. This is the first common multiple. Then after that 20. 20 is a common multiple in between these two. Then after that 30. 30 is a common multiple in between these two. Okay. So 10, 20, 30. These are the first three common multiples of 2 and 5. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. So first 3 common multiples of 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are 10, 20 and 30. These are our first 3 common multiples of 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Next, in 7th example, find the LCM of 4 and 6. LCM means least or lowest common multiple. How to find lowest common multiple? So first we have to write the common multiples. So in that lowest means the first very beginning. So whatever is the lowest, the first common multiple is there, that is your least common multiple. Now first 4 multiples. So what are 4 multiples? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, and so on. These all are 4 multiples. Then 6 multiples. What are 6 multiples? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, so on. Now common multiples. 4, so we don't have 4 here in 6. 8, we don't have 8 here in 6. Then 12 is there in both, in 4 and in 6. 4 and 6, the first common multiple is 12. That is only our least common multiple. After that which number? Here 20 is there, 24. Again 24 is there in both, but that is the second one, that is not least. So if we compare 12 and 24, 12 is the least. So that is why, so whatever the first common multiple is there, that is our least common multiple of the given numbers. So 4 and 6, least common multiple is 12. 12 is the least common multiple or lowest common multiple, that is LCM, that is called LCM of the given number 4 and 6. Okay. See here students, in first exercise, first question, write first 5 multiples of 12. 12 we have to write first 5 multiples of 12. Here first 5 multiples of 12 are. So it means in indirect we have to write 12 table till 5. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. These are the first 5 multiples of 12. Okay, 12 table we have to write 12 multiples we have to write 60 till 60. It means 5s are 12 5s are 60. Next, the second question, write the multiples of 5 that are greater than 20 and less than 50. 5 multiples we have to write greater than 20, so less than 50. Then 5 table, 5 ones are 5, so that is less than 20 only. We have to take greater than 20. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 25 is greater than 20. So multiples, 5 multiples, 5 multiples that are greater than 20 and less than 50 are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, less than 50 till less than 50 till 45 we have to write. So if we take 5 tens of 50, that is equal to 50, 50 is equal to 50, it's not equal to, less than only we have to write. Less than it means in between 20 to 50 we have to write, in between 20 to 50. Greater than 20, less than 50, it means in between 20 to 50. So those multiples are there, which 5 multiples, that multiples we have to write. It means 25 to 45 we have to write. These 25 to 45, these multiples are greater than 20 and less than 50 multiples of 5, Next, third question, is 824 a multiple of 7? So this similar question we did in example. How to say that the given number is multiple of the given, so means 7, 8, whatever. So if a number is exactly divided by the divisor, means divided by this 7, so then it is a multiple. 824 is a multiple of 7, otherwise it is not a multiple, Check here. Now first you divide 824 with 7. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First you divide hundreds place with divisor. Then when you will get 18 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Then minus 8 minus 7 is 1. Then after that copy the next place, that is tens place, 2 is there. Now you check, so when you will get 12 in 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 14 is more than this. So 7 ones are 7 we have to take, 7 ones are 7 we have to write in ones place, not in tens place, we have to copy in ones place. Why? Because 7 is a single digit number, that single digit number we have to start from right place. So that is, we have to take exactly below to this 2. Then now minus, here 2 is a minuend, 7 is a subtrahend, minuend is less than this subtrahend, so we have to take borrow from the next place. It will decrease by 1 and it will increase by 10. 12 minus 7, 12 minus 7 is 5. Then after that copy the next place, that is ones place, in ones place 4 is there, 4. 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 7s are we have to take, 7 7s are 49. Then minus 14, 14 minus 9, 14 minus 9 is how much? 5. Here remainder is 5. If the remainder, if something remainder is left, it means it does not a multiple of a 7. So here 824 is not divisible by 7. So 824 is not a multiple of 7, is not a multiple of 7. So if it exactly divides, then only it is a multiple, otherwise it is not a multiple, it is not a multiple. Okay, it means here remainder 5 remainder is left here, so it is not a multiple of 7. Okay, in the blanks, fill in the blanks. The first blank, 7 into 4 is equal to 28, 7 4s are 28. So it means 24 is a multiple of 7 as well as 4. It means 28 is a multiple of 7 and also 4. It is a multiple of 7 as well as 4. So this you remember. Okay. Next, dash is a multiple of every number. So 0 is a multiple of every number. So here 0 is a multiple of every number. So whatever number is there, so 1 zeros are 0, 10 zeros are 0, 100 zeros are 0. 0 is a multiple of every number. Here every non-zero is a multiple of every non-zero is a multiple of itself. Here itself. So how itself? 7 ones are 7. If 7 is a non-zero number, if I take 7 ones are 7, the number is a multiple of itself. 7 and 7 is there. So 7 is a number multiple of itself. So then first multiple of 34 is the first number of first multiple of a number is the same number only, that is 34 only. 34 ones are 34. The first multiple starts from ones are 34 ones are 34. So first multiple of a number is the same only, that is here 34 first multiple is 34 only. Okay. Students, next question, sixth one. Write the first 3 common multiples of 5 and 7 and 2 and 3. First 3 common multiples we have to write. First 2 common multiples, 2 multiples first. What are 2 multiples? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, so on. All these are 2 multiples. Next, 3 multiples. 3 multiples. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, so on. These are the multiples of 3. Now, first 3 common multiples. First 3 common multiples of 2 and 3 are, then in between these two 6 is a first common multiple in between these two, and after that 12 is a common multiple, and after that 18 is a common multiple. These are the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3, that is 6, 12 and 18. 6, 12 and 18. These are the common multiples of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. In the next, multiples of 5. 5 multiples we have to write. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, then 5 elevens are 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, so on. These are 5 multiples. 7 multiples, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 30. Multiples, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70, then 7 elevens are 77, then 7 twelves are 84, then 7 13s are 91, 7 14s are 7 14s are 7 14s are 14s are 98, then after that 105 and so on. So again once again see here 5 multiples we have to write. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 77, 77 plus 7, 77 plus 7, 84, 84 plus 7, 91 plus 98 and 105, so on. So these are the multiples of 7 and 5. Now we have to take common multiples. So what are the common multiples between these two? Between these two, first here 35 is there and here 35 is there. First common multiple. Then second common multiple, here 70 is there and here 70 is there. Then next common multiple 105 and 105. These are the common multiples. Therefore 5 and 7, first 3 common multiples. First 3 common multiples. Common multiples. What are the first 3 common multiples? 35, 70 and 105. These are the first 3 common multiples. 3 common multiples. Okay. Next, here we have to find the LCM. LCM of 5 and 10. LCM means least common factor. Least common factor means whatever the first common multiple is there, that is the least common multiple. Least common multiple. First we have to write 5 multiples. What are the 5 multiples? 5, 10, 15, 20, so on. And 10 multiples, 10 multiples, 10, 20, 30, 40. What are the first common multiple in between these two? 10 is a common multiple. 10 is a common multiple and that is the least. First one is the least common multiple. Therefore 5 and 10 LCM is 10. Is 10. Next 3 and 8. 3 and 8, first least common multiple, how to find? First we have to write 3 multiples. 3 multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, so on. These are 3 multiples. Then 8 multiples. What are 8 multiples? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. These are 8 multiples. Then least common multiple. What is the least between these two? Which one is a common between these two? Here first, here 24 is there and here 24 is there. 24 is common between that first least means first common multiple is 24. So 24 is the first common multiple, so this is the least. Therefore 3 and 8 LCM is 24. 24 is the least common multiple of 3 and 8. Okay.